You have a Dodge here today. Really bad headlights. No, that's not Photoshop. That's the work that we do. Here you go. Pretty bad. Lights are bad. Sunburn. The tops are horrible. Anyway, by the time we got done with it, it looks fantastic. If you're in the need of headlight restoration in South Florida, we cover Broward, Palm Beach counties, and Miami. Just text us pictures or call us at 754-302-0769. We come to you. We're fully mobile. We'll come to your home, your office, your work, wherever you want us, we will be there. 754-302-0769. Thank you for watching this video.